Welcome back to Ledger Labs. Today, let's dive into a super easy way to calculate your net income, stress-free, and by the end, you'll be calculating like a pro. So, what exactly is net income? Think of it as the money that actually ends up in your pocket after all your expenses are taken care of. It's your revenue or earnings minus your costs, plain and simple. Here's the simplest formula. Net income equals total revenue minus total expenses. That's all it is. Step 1 is finding your total revenue. This includes all the income you've earned from various sources, like sales or services provided. Let's say, for example, you brought in $10,000 this month. That's your revenue. Step 2. Take out your total expenses. Add up everything you spent to keep your business or personal finances running. Rent, bills, supplies, you name it. Let's say your expenses total $4,000. We'll subtract that from your revenue. So here's the math. $10,000 your revenue minus $4,000 your expenses equals a net income of $6,000. Just like that, you know what you're left with. Doesn't that feel empowering? Now, why does this matter? Knowing your net income lets you make smart financial decisions, manage your budget, and even plan for future growth. It's not just a number. It's your key to better financial health. Congrats! Now you know how to calculate your net income like a pro. If this helped, don't forget to hit that like button, share with friends, and subscribe for more financial tips. Until next time, keep growing your wealth, one step at a time.